In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export LinkedIn Post Analytics so you can effortlessly delve into the deeper data behind your content performance. This is an incredibly useful tool for marketers, content creators, or anyone wanting to optimize their presence on LinkedIn. Let's dive right in and get you started on the path to better understanding and improving your social media strategy. To begin, open up your LinkedIn and navigate directly to your profile. This is your own digital hub on LinkedIn and houses all your posts, activities, and analytics. Here, you'll want to look for the section that highlights your recent activity. Simply scroll to this area and you'll notice a small link labeled Show All Analytics. This is where the magic begins, as it will open up a detailed overview of your content performance. Go ahead and click on that link. Once the analytics overview is loaded up, you'll be able to see a list of your recent posts. For this exercise, we need to zero in on the specific post whose analytics you're interested in. Take a moment to scroll through your posts and select the one you want to analyze deeply. LinkedIn provides a variety of data points for each post, so make sure you're selecting a post that's most crucial for your current marketing insights or strategy adjustments. Now that you've chosen your post, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You should see an export button conveniently positioned there. Clicking this button is your gateway to obtaining the detailed analytics data in your preferred file format. The export feature is particularly powerful because it gives you a variety of data points in an easily accessible format, which you can then utilize for deeper analysis, reporting, or presentations. When you click on the Export button, you'll be prompted to choose your desired file format for downloading. Typically, the most popular and versatile format is .xlsx, which is compatible with Excel and many other spreadsheet programs. This format allows you to manipulate and study the data, create graphs, or even merge it with other data sets you may be working with. Choose to ensure maximum flexibility and ease of use. Once your selection is made, proceed to download the analytics onto your device. The file will likely be saved in your default download folder, so it's easy to find. Now you have a valuable data file at your fingertips, full of insights like engagement metrics, view counts, and interaction data that can tell a powerful story about your post's performance. By regularly exporting and analyzing your LinkedIn post analytics, you can continuously refine your content strategy, ensuring that your posts are effective, engaging, and reach the right audience. Happy analyzing!